I've been asked, why are some things easier to manifest than things and other things maybe not so easy? Well, if you're setting a goal or objective that is aligned and congruent with what you value most, you come up with a truly, useful strategy to achieve it, effective strategy. And you're willing to implement, you and other people are willing to implement the strategies to achieve it, you'll achieve it. But if you set up a fantasy, something that's one-sided, not both-sided, because nothing is going to ever have one side. If you expect a fantasy of a one-sided outcome, pleasure without pain, ease without difficulty, positive without negative, you have a delusion and it's not going to manifest. If you don't have a strategy that you can take actions on it, the probability of manifesting goes down. And if it's not aligned with your values, where it's something deeply meaningful that you'll get up in the morning and tap dance to work to go get it to be done, it's not likely to be taken action on. So you're not really going to get things manifested if it's low on your values, if it's a fantasy and there's no strategy. That's the bottom line. So if you really want something to happen, make sure it really is something deeply meaningful and not a whim. A whim is when you envy somebody else and go, oh, I wish I could do that. And you think you're going to go off and do that. And you don't really have the values to do it. That'd be like me going, oh, I think I'm going to open up a coffee shop when I haven't drank coffee but 3 times in my entire life. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm not inspired by coffee. It doesn't mean anything to me. So taking on that just because, oh, that's a good business, it would probably be a foolish thing for me to do. But if I go after something that's deeply meaningful, I'll be willing to embrace the pain and pleasure in the pursuit of it. I'll persevere on it. I won't stop until I get an outcome. I'll embrace the pains and pleasures in that pursuit. I'll make it happen. I won't give up. I'll see whatever challenges I get as feedback instead of failure, and I won't stop. And being unstoppable gets things done. And if I have a strategy that's efficient and it competes with other people and it's more effective than others, I will probably excel. And if it's not one-sided where I'm expecting a one-sided thing and being upset and feeling like I'm a failure because it's not matching my fantasy, I'm going to move forward. So set real goals in real time with real strategies that are really valuable to you, high on your value list. That's why I want you to do the value determination process and come to the Breakthrough Experience program so I can teach you how to master manifesting things so you're not sitting there banging your head against the walls, pursuing fantasies, unstrategized, and things that aren't meaningful. You set up a meaningful goal that's truly aligned with your values, you really have a strategy, and it's not a fantasy, and you stay with it, you're going to get the outcome. I had a dream at one time to travel the world and teach. It seemed improbable when I started, but I live that today because I never gave up on it. Those that don't give up on their goals and they keep refining their actions and they keep coming up with more effective strategies and they keep taking further action steps on a daily basis, they get their goals. It's as simple as that.